Brand new lawsuits filed today accuse 3 more former Oregon Youth Authority staff of sexual abuse. 3 female alleged victims claim a corrections officer at Hillcrest Youth Facility abused them between 1999 and 2008. The accusations include groping and other inappropriate behavior while watching them shower. Another woman claims a group life coordinator at Oak Creek abused her multiple times between 2009 and 11. She says the abuse began when she was 16. The suit says she reported the abuse to Oregon State Police, but no immediate action was taken. A third suit alleges another Hillcrest staffer abused a 15-year-old, claims the victim was told to withdraw their complaint against the employee or they wouldn't be allowed to see their family. The attorneys say 12 additional victims of Dr. Edward Edwards have come forward. Edwards was known among detainees at McLaren Youth Correctional Facility as Dr. Coldfingers. This brings the number of alleged victims of Dr. Edwards who have come forward to 51. Edwards died earlier this year.
And so we intend to prove through these cases that this was not just a failure of oversight. This was a sustained culture of indifference that allowed predators operating within OIA to thrive for decades. This was not just a few bad actors. This was not just a few rotten apples. This was a system that protected predators and silenced victims.
The attorneys say these new suits against OIA bring the state's liability to $275 million. We reached out to OIA for comment. They told us this: in the last 6 years alone, over 2,000 trusted adults have worked with the nearly 3,000 youth who have spent time in OIA facilities. The conduct alleged is abhorrent, and Oregonians can count on OIA to act swiftly and decisively when individuals undermine our work. Youth safety is paramount. We also reached out to the 3 new staffers named in the lawsuits for their response. We've not heard back yet.
Last month, Marion County District Attorney Paige Clarkson opened a grand jury inquiry into the conditions and management of McLaren Youth Correctional Facility. It is OYA's largest closed custody detention facility. McLaren's in Woodburn. Her office says it's received more than 100 investigations of potential criminal conduct, some dating back several years, occurring at McLaren. Those investigations include escapes, contraband possession, physical assaults on both youth and staff, riots, and sexual assault. They were identified following the discovery of significant backlog in OIA's Professional Standards Office. The DA's office tells us the grand jury's final report will be completed in December.